Heritage Tractor is a John Deere dealership. We specialize in the repair of John Deere equipment. Our location, we will fix anything from the smallest piece of John Deere mowers up to the largest stuff.
In our field service, we do just a little bit of everything: hay equipment, sprayers, combines. Wherever I'm needed, I go.
The thing I am most proud of is the technicians that we have. We send them out in the field and they just get the job done. They take pride in what they do, and that's even with the guys that I have in the shop. You call us, we're gonna come fix your problem, or you can bring it here and we're gonna get it fixed.